Okay, it's Paul here from freedomtraderpro.com. Now, in this video, I want to talk about how much should you risk in Forex and how much should you risk per trade in Forex, okay? Now, I'm going to jump straight to it in this video. Now, I've actually put up a couple of risk to reward tools here, so you can see how I'm going to kind of explain this a little bit better. Now, basically, I risk 1% with every single trade, and I know some people risk 1% to get a 10% risk to reward or a 5% risk to reward or whatever. And I'm just going to show you how it can make a massive difference by making a 1 to 2.5 or a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Now, personally, I look to make 1 to 3 on all of my trades, and there's various ways I manage that, which I'm not going to go into in this video. But I just want to show you how it can make a big difference and why I only risk 1%, because a lot of people over leverage their accounts. They start risking 2, 3, 4, 5%, and once you start losing a couple of trades on those bigger percentages, it takes your account takes a big hit pretty quickly. So I'm just going to show you. Let's say we've got a couple of risk to reward tools here. I'm going to show you one-to-one risk to reward. Okay, so let's just base this on 10 trades. If we took 10 trades, 5 of those trades won and 5 of those trades lost, we've got a minus 5%. From those losing trades, and we've got a plus 5% from those winning trades, which that equals 0. Okay, so on a one-to-one, if you lost 5, won 5, that's on a 50% win rate, you're going to come out of it with 0. Okay, so let's do the same for this one. If you're on a 1 to 3, so if you lose 5 trades, you're risking 1% to make 3%. So if you're risking 1%, you're making minus 5%. So the loss is the same. But if you win 5 trades at plus 3%, then that is a plus 15%, which gives you an overall gain of 10. Can't even type. Of 10%. Okay, that's just to show you why I only risk 1%. As I say, I look to make 2.5 to 3% on all of my trades. So based on a 50% win rate, my win rate is actually slightly higher than that, but I just did it to kind of show you the numbers. Based on a 50% win rate, I would be at 10% overall on 5 trades. So that is how much I risk in Forex. I don't risk any more. Occasionally, if I'm doing prop firm challenges or things like that, I may risk 2% initially and then drop it down to 1%. But as I say, that's another conversation for another video. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and like this video, and head over to my website, which is freedomtraderpro.com, and I look forward to catching you in another video real soon. Take care.